Law Enforcement Center.
Hi, is this the crime tip hotline?
It's the Sheriff's Department.
Okay, well, I'm calling a number that was associated with the crime tips hotline. So
Okay.
who do I need to speak to regarding crime tips? I need to tell someone about a crime that's ongoing.
Well, it kind of depends. What was it?
Well, it's a kidnapping, it's copyright infringement, it's theft. So who needs to be hearing about that can do something about it?
Okay. Do you,
It's also attempted murder.
do you know who it is?
I sure do. It's the man who's not using a legal name. He's being held in jail right now, the Harris County Jail, or Harrison County Jail. He was kidnapped, I think, 2 nights ago. He's being held, and what's happening is the people involved in his kidnapping are attempting to force him to act as surety for the birth certificate bond in order to get money out of it to pay for his kidnapping and incarceration. And I need to convey this information to whoever's responsible for actually enforcing the law.
Okay. Do you need to speak to the jail?
Like I said, I need to speak to the individual who will stop this crime from being committed. So who is that going to be? Like someone who did all these laws that are being broken. Who's most responsible for making sure that stops?
Hold on just a second.
Okay.
Our sheriff is currently not here. Can I get your name and number and have him give you a call back?
Okay, who is the sheriff?
It's Josh.
Okay, does he have a deputy?
He is the deputy.
So there's just one guy? There's just one...
He's the only one that's on right at the moment.
Okay. Well, okay, there's a guy who is being kept against his will at the jail. And so I'm going to call 911 and let them know about this unless I can get some action right now. A response is needed immediately.
Okay, but if you call 911, you're going to get us, so...
I'm going to get you guys back. So you guys answer to 911. Okay, well, this is an emergency. A man has been kidnapped. He's being held at the Harrison County Jail, Bethany, Missouri, and something needs to be done about that.
Okay.
This is a financial fraud. This is a crime that's oftentimes referred to as personage. They have kidnapped this man, and they're trying to force a legally created corporate person onto him in order to steal from that bond or that legal instrument. This is very serious. This is an emergency.
Okay. Do you know the name that he's...
Yeah, the man... Okay, and by the way, I'm a family member of his, and we are all very closely watching what's going on here. He does not use names. He is a living being. He does not label himself. Corporations require names. Things require names. As a living being, he does not use names, and we respect that he does this. And if he were to use a legal name or a birth certificate, he would be breaking the law, and he has chosen consciously not to do that, and he is being punished by those who have kidnapped him and are now holding him for a ransom for his decision to not break the law and use legal names. That, in a nutshell, is what's going on here. This is a financial crime. It's an emergency. The man has been stolen off the streets. He has hurt no one. There is no victim. And we need to get him released ASAP, as in immediately.
Okay. Give me just a moment, okay?
Okay.
Harrison County Jail. Debbie, can I help you?
Debbie, yes, we've already spoken. I don't know why they're transferring me to you. you are shirking all responsibility for this man with no name, and he's still there, right?
Yes, sir. He will be here until he bonds out or California comes to get him.
Okay, there is no California. You're delusional at this point. I need to speak to someone right now who can release this man. If you're not willing to do that, then you're a criminal. You are a co-conspirator in a massive financial crime. Ignorance of the law is no excuse.
I 100% agree with you, sir.
Okay, so you have held a man that has hurt no one.
County Circuit Court.
This man, don't talk to me about these fictions, these courts. This doesn't apply to men. It applies only to
I'm sorry,
corporations.
then I can't help you. Have a good day.
Release the man.